Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. In this reaction, converts ketone into ester or cyclic ketone into lactones, cyclic ester, by inserting oxygen atom next to the carbonyl group with using metachloroperbenzoic acid. And its migrating order: tertiary alkyl greater than cyclohexyl greater than secondary alkyl greater than phenyl group greater than primary alkyl and greater than methyl. And its reaction: ketone compound with using MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid, and with using Lewis base we will get ester compound. And its mechanism: first, oxygen carbonyl oxygen having non-bonding electron, it attack on vacant orbital of boron, and oxygen having positive charge, so that per acid oxygen lone pair attack on carbonyl carbon and oxygen having neutralize. So we will get this intermediate, this oxygen having positive charge, so that H plus will be removed. So this intermediate we will give this double bond converting into double bond, and this alkyl group migrate towards the oxygen side, and this sigma bond towards the oxygen side, oxygen having negative charge, and then carbonyl compound will be formation, and this oxygen inserting with the alkyl chain. This oxygen positive charge, it will be unstable, so that this double bond, this single bond converted into oxygen side, so that we will get ester. Second example, we will give cyclic ketone, Lewis acid, and per acid give cyclic lactone. In its mechanism: first, lone pair attack on vacant orbital of boron compound, then oxygen having positive charge, so that per acid oxygen attack on carbonyl carbon, and this oxygen will be neutralized. Then here oxygen plus, it will be unstable, so that this sigma bond neutralize and release the H plus ion, and this lone pair converting double bond, and this alkyl ring expansion will be occur, and this single bond attack on oxygen, and this sigma bond broken and oxygen having negative charge. Oxygen having positive charge, it will be unstable, so that this single bond broken and oxygen having non-bonding electron, we will give cyclic lactone